Jason here with Hooked on J&G. So we're doing a little intro video. We took a trip to the Keys over the 4th of July weekend, and we thought that we did a little intro video, but instead I had it on photo and not video.
Didn't work out.
Whoops. So we're back home now, and so we had a really nice trip. We were there for about a week. Last night there was 4th of July. We had a lot of really good fishing experiences. We caught some really good fish. We were pretty impressed with ourselves.
We were new to all that. First
Yes.
time in the Keys, pretty new to all this saltwater fishing, so it was a good time.
Yeah, so we had a really good time. We got offshore quite a bit, which was nice. A little out of my comfort zone, but pushed through it. My son was there the first part of the trip, and unfortunately we didn't make it really offshore when he was there. But anyway, we did have a good time. We caught some good fish, but we did not get all of the footage. The GoPro was not cooperating as usual.
No.
So we did get a little bit on the GoPro, but we had to pick up the cell phones and kind of supplement with that. So it's kind of pieced together, this video, but still we wanted to share it because we did catch some fish and we had a really good time. And again, we're still new at this, but just
hang in during the video. It's a lot of cell phone video, GoPro video, pictures, whatever.
Yeah.
I just threw a bunch of stuff together, edited the video the best we could.
But anyway, we had a good time, and we did catch fish, which was the whole point. So that's why we put together this video, and we ended it with a really nice display of fireworks on the 4th of July.
Yeah.
And now we're back home. So hope you enjoy.
Woohoo!
See ya. Hey everyone, so day 3 of our trip, day 3 or 4 of our trip. We spent the first couple days with my son, so we didn't really do much recording. And today was like our first real official day out. We went to the reefs here in Marathon, and we were out there for about 7 hours today. Jason caught a really awesome grouper, and I caught a lionfish, pretty decent size. And we caught a couple other small keepers, but a lot of stuff that, you know, weren't keepers, so we threw them back. Water was gorgeous today. It was a little rougher than I prefer. Swells are not my favorite thing, but whatever. Stuck with it, and yeah, so we didn't film anything when we were out today, but I just wanted to do a little video for you so you can see what we caught. So yeah, so I'll show you.
I'm a 20 gauge shotgun, both barrels blazing, 100 miles an hour around the curve without braking. I'm a herd of wild horses to her bed of daisies. She'll plant them all back again. I think I'm John Wayne when I get to drinking. I'm the first one to jump on the boat while it's sinking. But I ain't half as tough as what I've had you thinking. If you really knew her, you know I'm the big one. She's like a lighthouse spinning in the path of a hurricane. Looks like the lightning races around in the rain. Don't know if I can hold on. She's stronger.
That's freaking awesome. Let me just do this quick and then we'll get everything off, okay? All right, so Jason is filleting up the lionfish right now. So say hi, Jason.
Hello. Hey, this is a pretty good lionfish that produces pretty hefty fillets, but I know nothing about these. I just know you don't want to get poked, so I cut all the fins off before I started, threw them in the water, let some fish get poked by those. Not me. So I just get this off, and there's 2 big old lionfish. Look at that lionfish. That's a monster, I think. I mean, so I tried to shoot some of these with a spear gun in the Bahamas, and they weren't this big.
Yeah.
Because I missed them.
There goes that, feeding the fish. And then what was this that we caught?
Little yellowtail. This was a lighthead porgy. I've never caught one of these. Gina caught this, but they said, it says on fish rules, this is better than grouper. And then of course this is, this is a little 22-inch
Jason's grouper.
Grouper I was pretty happy with. That thing, I pulled this up with my little 2500 reel on 20-pound leader. But he fought. I was tired when he got there. So I was happy about it though.
Pretty nice. So all in all, we had a pretty good day, and we're gonna fillet this up, and tonight we're gonna make some grouper sandwiches Jason's been dying for. We had him at a restaurant in Palm Beach that he loved, so we're gonna make that for dinner and hang out in the pool and relax. So we will see you later. Bye.
All right, turn to the right, baby.
Like go in a circle or just...
No, over here, just so the line's out to the side of it.
Okay.
I'll get in the front.
Now go straight out?
No. That's good. You can put it neutral.
Okay.
You can work your GoPro, do whatever you want. Probably another Mahi, I would think. That is a, oh shit, that's a barracuda.
Oh,
Keep it.
be careful. You need pliers.
That boat.
You need that?
Oh, he got off. He got off.
Oh.
That's okay. We didn't really want to screw with him anyway. All right. That was fun though.
I'll stop recording.
Gina's hooked up again. She had a Mahi jumping out there, I think. Oh yeah, there you go. Here, start, walk it this way, baby. Pull that out and walk it this way. Walk it to the front. You got it. Might be a little one. It's not even a keeper. Right here, baby.
No, that one was hard. Why was that one so hard? That's it, is 20 inches?
Yeah. Oh. Trying to keep that from happening. Open that bag. Just pull it back.
Well, that was exciting.
All right, Gina's hooked up here. We don't know what she's got. I'm just getting her a little closer to the fish. Let's see. We're just doing a little trolling out here. You feel it? I'm gonna put it in neutral now.
Yeah, it doesn't feel huge.
Yeah, it's probably not. It's probably a little Mahi or something. Get this up out of the way so it can bleed all over the place. Yeah, there it is. Bring it in. Oh no, you got another damn little bonita. That's why.
Damn it. And I just broke my glasses. Imagine that.
You broke your glasses. We should keep this for a little
Bait? Can you use that for bait, you said? What do you need?
Baby. I got it right here. It's hard to get out with the rubber. I thought I used it.
Why are you looking at me?
No,
You want me to hold it so you can pull that off? That's it?
yeah, I need to hold this line.
Yeah. Can I put this holder?
Yeah, set it. Come here.
Got it. Drop it. Can I drop it in? Huh?
Yeah, you can go. Should I throw this in the cooler and we'll cut it up today? Just hold it like I got it right there.
You do it, because I don't want to lose it. Just hold it up.
And it's a little toony, bonita, what I call it, but whatever. Them things are heavy, they fight like tuna, so.
Really didn't think anything was on there.
Lovely day for a boat wash.
But the one you caught totally
Oh my
different.
God, it was hard to pull it.
No, that one was.
Well, it was heavy, wasn't it?
Yeah, but
Even that, and that one wasn't as big as the other one, but it was heavy. All right, well, good. At least we got this something. Gina's reeling in a big one. Look at that thing hooked up here. What do you got? Oh, there it is. I see color.
like tiny.
Oh, I think that's a good fish, baby. I don't know what it is.
I think it looked that big.
It's fat. Oh wait, that's a good snapper. Hold on. So the stupid GoPro died, and I was recording with the cell phone. I had to set it down to help Gina get this fish out. Yes, hold on. Got this.
Hey everyone, so happy 4th. We just got back from fishing and we caught a tuna, so Jason is filleting it right now and it's our last night here. So we're gonna try to enjoy the fireworks and have some seared tuna for dinner and some fried rice and relax, get the boat out of the water and start packing. Doesn't sound like we're gonna relax much, but we're gonna try. All right, so I'm gonna now show you Jason cleaning the tuna and filleting it, and we'll see ya. All right, so Jason just hooked into something. We were trolling a little bit, and we have no idea what it is. But we're about to find out.
But the suspense is killing me.
Feels like one of them little toony.
Oh man, we've been catching them all day.
Go left.
Left, turn?
Go left and bump it. I don't want it behind the motor.
No.
Oh, there it is.
You want me to turn?
No, I got it.
It's a Mahi.
Is it?
Yep.
All right, good.
Do you need the net? Want me to put it in neutral?
Yeah, put it in. I thought you were. Here, hold it. Oh, it's a little tune. Look at it. I say I'm holding up your hand over there. I need to run, dude. I'm sorry. That's tuna. That's a tuna, baby. Black
It
fin,
is?
blackfin tuna.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, it is. Look at it. It's a blackfin tuna.
Let me see.
Holy
What is it?
blackfin tuna.
Awesome. Yay, a little reward. All right, so here's Jason.
Here's
Filleting
Jason.
that tuna. Here's our tuna.
What a
Let's
cute
see him
little
before
guy.
you totally take him apart. All right, well, there you go. There he is. Here's a little bit of the scenery and festivities. You can hear fireworks already. There's some bands set up at the beach across the street. There were a ton of boats all lined up when we were coming in. I took some video of that as well, so we'll be putting that together for you guys so you can see all that. Nice. All right, so we are gonna finish this up and clean up and have some dinner, and we will see you there. See ya.
Thanks everybody for watching the video. Figured we'd end this one with a bang, showing the fireworks on Sombrero Beach down at Marathon. We stayed right there, so the fireworks show was pretty cool. We were right under it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll just keep getting better at recording all this stuff. You know, we were just on a little vacation, kind of doing our own thing, trying to catch things on camera as we could, or as the GoPro would allow, because it's not the friendliest thing in the world. So if anybody's got any better ideas than GoPro, let us know. But yeah, thanks for watching. Click subscribe if you want. Leave us some comments, anything to help. We appreciate it. Take it easy.